In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make jasmine rice on the stove. I have 3 methods of cooking rice. Stick around at the end of the video when I reveal the other 2 methods, but for now, let's just stick to the stovetop. Start off by measuring the rice. I'm cooking 2 cups. I always tape the plastic directions of the rice wrapper to my container so I can remember the portions. 2 cups of rice needs 4 cups of water. You will also notice butter and salt. I prefer to exclude them and keep my rice plain. Now I'll use my 4-cup measuring cup to portion the water. Next, rinse the rice over water. I prefer to use a bowl colander. I like to fill the water 4 times and drain to give it a good clean. The bowl colander is great for canned beans and lentils. Very easy to clean and drain them and rinse them. Next, add the rice and water to saucepan. Turn the heat on high and bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, stir the rice and turn the heat to low. In this time period, keep an eye on the pot. If it looks like it's going to overflow, open the lid. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes. You will know it's ready when you see holes forming all throughout the pan. The 2-cup portion fits perfectly in my 7-cup Pyrex. Let it cool down before sticking in the refrigerator. Store up to 3 days in the fridge before freezing any remaining rice. Now finally, the other 2 ways I cook jasmine rice. Number 2 is the Uncle Ben's pouch. This is good when I don't have much time to cook. 90 seconds in the microwave and you're done. The downfall is the rice is not as fluffy as if you would cook it on the stovetop. Finally, number 3 is the Instapot. The best part is it has its own rice preset. This option takes the longest, but it's great you don't have to watch the pot like you do on the stovetop. And it's fluffier than the Uncle Ben's rice. I hope you got value from this video. Comment below your favorite type of rice. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.